the Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik ji. This was regarding the forceful eviction and the order passed by the Cabinet of Meghalaya under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Konark Sangma ji. That was that the Punjabi Basti will be evicted within 1 week, and they, in their press briefing, as they have briefed that they had a tri-party agreement with the CM of Millennium, and for that purposes now this land will be evicted. We met today the Honorable Governor side, and we have produced our documents, the title of this property and also the court order from the Honorable Court, High Court of Meghalaya, which clearly states that even if these people are illegally occupying this land, they cannot be evicted forcefully or without the due process of law. The court has also established the formation, how to evict them. They said the government should move to the civil suit and file a civil suit, and the civil judge should hear both the parties and pass an appropriate order. So for even if they are illegally occupying this place, for that purpose also the government has to file a civil suit before the civil magistrate, and then the order for eviction can be passed. But this cannot be forcefully, as the CM of Millennium have already in 2008 has stated that this property was allotted to the Harijan Basti Panchayat. And now how can they sign a tri-part agreement saying that we have reclaimed this land? There is no provision in the law. And we also humbly request to the people of Meghalaya and to the government of Meghalaya that the Sikhs here are living in a micro minority, and they shouldn't be evicted without due process of law. And we assure our people also that nothing on this earth can evict them forcefully. Nothing. There is a law, there is a stated law in this country, and we'll follow a law. And I think the government should also follow this law, and there is no reason that government should forcefully evict them.